Welcome to my channel Fashion Iksha. Draw a straight line from the fold and trace a front basic bodice block, that is neckline and shoulder line. Now with the help of back basic bodice block, trace a shoulder line and neck line. So now mark collar width, that is from the highest point of the shoulder. Here I am taking 2.5 inches. So this is completely depends upon the individual requirement. From the highest point of shoulder, mark 2.5 inches, and at the back neckline curve, so at the center back, so 2.5 inches, and again at the mid point of the neckline curve, that is 2.5 inches. Same thing for the front, at the center front from the front neckline, that is 2.5 inches, and midpoint of the front neckline curve, that is 2.5 inches. Now with the help of armhole curve, join these points back and the front. So this completes a Peter Pan collar. And now mention the terminologies: a grain line, cut 2 pieces, front and back. Now cut the collar accordingly. Mention unfold, now eliminate the space between two shoulder lines. This can be eliminated by folding it on the back side. So first make a folding mark on all the 3 lines and fold it at the center and put the excess on the back side of the collar. So now you can see how it comes out after folding it. The same thing has to be done on the other side of the collar. Once you have folded and neatly, stick it with the help of a gum tape on both the sides. This completes the collar. Here is the final look of the collar, open form and in a fold form of the fold, and it's a front view and a back view of the collar.